Hi, hello பசங்களா. So it's me, your Lerin Mam. So இன்னைக்கு எனக்கு ரொம்ப important ஆனா very important, a serious matter. I want to tell you this. I should tell you. ஏன்னா many students used to ask me, இந்த வாட்டி NEET 2026 easy ஆகுமா, tough ஆகுமா, moderate ஆகுமா, difficulty level எப்படி இருக்கும்? எனக்கு இதுக்கெல்லாம் ஒரே ஒரு answer தான் இருக்கு. இந்த NEET 2026 is going to be really tough. ஏன்னா நீங்க இப்போ like if you are just checking on the last few years, okay, last 5 year கூட போதும், almost 10 lakh students அதிகமா exam appear பண்றாங்க. 5 years almost 10 lakh students na, that's a huge number. So every year the number of competitors increases. So score vida rank tha mukkiyam. Na idu solradhu like I'm not saying okay if you are just targeting 1000 rank, even if you are looking for 10,000, I want a rank in between, like I want around 10,000, then also this exam is going to be difficult. Yeah, almost the NEET pattern pathina, definitely there will be easy level questions, there will be moderate level questions and difficult level questions. If you are just excluding the last year, almost the rest of the years, almost like 5-6 questions the difficult level questions, the rest will be moderate as well as easy questions. So in the easy moderate level questions ella students most of the students will attend and they will score it. So ange competition kedaiyadu. Competition varada in the difficult level ana questions la. In the difficult ana questions, if you can't attend, your rank is going to be very low. Okay, you cannot get the rank whatever you have, whatever you wished for, you won't be get it. So this is a very important matter. If you are looking for, if you need to get an admission in this year itself, this exam is going to be difficult. Don't ever think like how many questions will be difficult, how many questions will be moderate, and the 5 questions podum. இப்போ 2025 கொஞ்சம் questions அதிகமா difficult இருந்தே, but excluding that, the rest of the years, the whole 5 max 5-6 questions that difficult. And the difficult question those who are doing those questions, they are getting the ranks, they are making result actually. The rest is not at all a competition, because like you, there are many students who are preparing for moderate level. So in the year if you wanted to get the admission in this year itself, you should start your preparation and you should expect this year also this NEET is going to be difficult. Even if it is not difficult, as I mentioned, 4-5 questions that difficult, and the 4-5 questions da nama target, and the 4-5 questions you should attend. Adukkaga you should really work hard. There is no other choice. So just stop asking when it is going, which this exam is going to be easy, difficult, moderate. There is no sense in it. If you are target oriented, if you wanted to become, I wanted to become a doctor, if you have that dream, guys, I wanted to tell you, you should start now. Otherwise you will struggle. As I mentioned, there are many students who are ready to do moderate, up to moderate level. நீங்க உங்க level கொஞ்சம் up பண்ணணும். There is no other choice. Okay, so இன்னைக்கு why I am doing this video, in my class also they are asking ma'am moderate level questions, easy level questions, lots of questions coming. So idu tha your answer. Okay, if you want good rank, you should face difficult level questions. ஏன்னா அந்த difficult questions தான் உங்க rank decide பண்றது. அந்த rank decide பண்றதுக்கு you should be a competitor who can't, nobody can break you. So அந்த அளவுக்கு நீங்க prepare பண்ணனும்னா you should start now and you should start practice difficult level questions. Okay, the exam oda range 2025 NEET range da. Okay, or it is more difficult than that, because this is the year we have and we should work really hard, and this is the only option you have. Okay, so guys, all the very best. Start your preparation. Don't think about easy, moderate, difficult. Now itself you are fixing in your mind that NEET 2026 is going to be difficult and I will be attending all difficult questions. I am going to solve all the MCQs which is difficult. because that is deciding my score, that is deciding my rank. So guys, all the very best. See you in another video.